Hey there, welcome back to the Wild Blue Wanderers channel. About a month or so ago, INNOVV, INNOVV, sent me an email and wanted to know if I'd be willing to do a review on their little tire pump, tire inflator. It's got a tire inflator NOP1. So of course, I like their products. We actually have their dash cam. I think it's a K5 on the motorcycle. Works really good. So I said, yeah, we'd give it a try. So we're going to open the box and we're going to see how it works. So I decided rather than bringing the bike in and getting it set up or laying down on the ground and doing the tire pressure on that, I would just bring in a wheel, an old wheel, and use that. So to start, we're going to open the box up. Let's see, this is a tire inflator INNOVV, INNOVV P1. Says it can do up to 150 psi, quick and effortless inflation. It has a 600 milliamp hour battery, and it's got a built-in light. Looks like we got some stickers. Got a little direction sheet. That's the main tire pump system, and I haven't charged this up yet, so I'm not even sure if it's going to work. It's like a kind of papery little bag. And it's got looks like a charging cord, looks like USB-C, some different adapters for filling a ball or toys or something like that. And then it looks like your actual air hose here. So it looks like on the top it says it's got a USB-C to charge it, and it's got a regular USB-A to charge other things. So we got a light there, powered up, shows full bars. Right now it's on bar for the tire setting, so I'm not sure. We'll see if we can, oh, there we go, PSI and bar. So we're gonna go, oh, it looks like it's got a little basketball symbol. It must have different settings there. And it looks like you can adjust your pressure up and down. So I'm gonna hook this up here. I'm going to connect it to the bike, or connect it to the tire over here. I'm going to connect it to the tire and we'll see what it says. .5 psi. This is pretty low. But just for fun, I've got two other, and I'm letting pressure out of it as we go. I got my tire minder gauge here. That one's not even registering. I got a Jacko gauge. Let's see what that one says. That's not even registering either. I might have let the air out. So I'm going to hook this on again. That's not even registering now, so I'm just going to hit the power button, I guess, and see what happens. Actually, before we do that, let me get my timer going. This is basically an empty tire, so I'm going to set the timer and see how long it takes. All right, here we go. Ready? There you go, 34 PSI. It shut off right on the money. It took 4 minutes, 24 seconds, almost 4 minutes, 25 seconds. That's right at 34 according to that gauge. Let's see what these other gauges will read now, if I can get it off without losing all the pressure. There's our tire minder digital gauge. That one says 35. And Wacko gauge. That one says 35.6. So pretty close, within a pound. Can't complain too much. So this is the first time playing with it, just unboxing it. Seems like it does the job. I think it's something that I'll keep in the saddlebag or the tour pack for an emergency. It did show that it went down. It went down 1 bar. There's 3 bars on their power meter. It went down 1 bar to fill that tire. But I think in an emergency, it could definitely help. It has a light on the top here too. See if I can make that work. Probably need to read the directions to see how you turn on the light. Power on, then select light source. Oh, there we go. Well, there. After you turn the power on, you just hit the SOS button and the light comes on. You got red flashing, SOS, and you just look like you got a fancy fast red that might be good at night to let people know where you're at. Off. You got just main light, red SOS, and red flashy is what it looks like. So that could come in handy too. Not a bad little thing. INNOVV also makes, like I said, the dash cam. So let me go show you the dash cam that we have on the Road Glide. It works great, 4K. So let me go show you that. So here's the camera that we have on the Road Glide. It actually sits down here under the fairing. Here's the camera. It's 4K up front, and you can access the SD card in the side. It also connects Wi-Fi to your phone. Pretty nice camera. I've used it for some of our video stuff. And then on the back of the bike, there's also a camera on the back, and I have mine attached right there to the license plate. So I think it does 4K in the front and 1080p in the rear. I'll double check those facts and let you know. So pretty cool setup. So anyway, pretty cool little tire pump. It's definitely going to go into the saddlebag or tour pack and go along with us. I don't know what the cost is or the price is on it. I didn't happen to look it up. Like I said, they sent this one to me to do a review on it. Could have had a little bit nicer bag. This feels kind of like that cheap papery kind of bag. I have a feeling it won't last too long, but that's okay. With that, the cord, little adapters to fill up your toys or air mattresses if you're riding on the road or whatever. So again, not a bad little system. We do have a discount code, and I'll leave the discount code right here. And there's also going to be a link into the description. So hope you enjoyed, hope you like it, and give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. What do you think? Something you'd buy? Let me know your thoughts. What else would you like me to test it some more or show you some other things? Let me know what you want to see, and I'll see if I can do a quick video on that. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day.